Yogurt packaging machine is an important part of the automatic yogurt production process. This technology not only helps increase production efficiency, but also ensures food safety and hygiene and accuracy in product packaging. Yogurt packaging machines are often designed to automatically measure, fill and pack yogurt into bags or boxes with high accuracy. This process is done quickly and accurately, saving time and labor compared to manual packaging. This helps create yogurt products with uniform shape and ensures absorbency instructions when displayed on store shelves. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent shape and size. This is not just a cheesecake cutting system, but also a complete automated production process, from raw material preparation to final product packaging. The mangosteen sorting line is not only a conventional production system, but also a symbol of care and high quality in the production process. Looking at the diverse and uniform product line of mangosteens as they are run through the line, we can feel the care and professionalism in every step of the production process. This mangosteen classification system not only helps eliminate substandard products, but also helps increase production efficiency and save time. The attraction of the long red peppers on the line will make you unable to help but be fascinated by their efficiency. Too expensive lasers. The metal powder layers will be continuously coated on each layer after each laser sintering. With amazing ability and a consistent ink flow, this pen will surely win over the users. Pine wood, known for its quick ignition, smoke-free and odorless burning properties, is often chosen as the material for matchsticks. So we've been deceived all along thinking that the house was roofed with tiles. This technician is applying the first layer of skin to the prosthetic limb. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Cutting off scrap threads before recycling them. The farmer makes the rice field full of scum look fresh again. Creating a natural irrigation system doesn't have to be too labor-intensive. Under the man's hand the carpet is restored to look like new. Science hit the mark when proving that lazy people can be smart ones. The fire blazed brightly like New Year's Eve fireworks. With a single impact he can free the frozen fish from their cramped confinements. This technique ensures even spread of glue without wastage. Wow! This is hands down the coolest way to get rid of excess mortar on the wall. No machines needed. These skilled hands are crafting a giant pottery pot. Dividing the wooden board into smaller parts makes it easier to cut.